everybody, welcome back to our channel Spoon with Wings. Hope you liked the last video. Today we are going to make something new. It's one of my favorite dishes, chocolate brownie. Starting with our ingredients, we have chocolate, choco chips, sugar, eggs, maida, butter and walnuts. The butter needs to be room temperature. Now let's melt the butter and add the chocolates. The chocolate needs to be equal size to prevent uneven mixing. Mix the chocolate and butter properly. Then put it in the microwave for 30 seconds to avoid chocolate lumps. Our glossy chocolate butter mix is ready. Add 2 spoons of vanilla essence to give more flavor. Let's start cracking some eggs. Measure our sugar till 500 grams and then add it to our eggs. Let's add some sugar. Mix, mix, mix! To make our mixture more fluffier, we will use a stand mixer. We are using Inalsa Mix Master. It reduces your workload in a snap of a finger. Mix both batters till there are no clumps. to add the maida, which is also known as flour. We need 220 grams of all-purpose flour. Next up, adding the flour in 3 batches. Let's add this second batch and then cut and fold and mix. It's the third and last batch. I'll repeat it again. Cut and fold and mix. As we are big fans of brownie, we like to make in a large batch. For a smaller batch, you can add half the ingredients. By the way, do not forget to preheat the oven. Set it to 180 degrees. Then burn the grills. 20 minutes. Lay the butter paper on the tray. Time to pour the brownie batter and spread it across the tray evenly. Decoration time with chocolate chips and pecans. These are my ingredients. You can use any other ingredients such as Oreos, cherries or any other decorative toppings of your choice. Put it in the oven and bake it for 20 to 25 minutes. Have patience and wait for it to cool down. Then slice. Your mouth-watering brownies are ready. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, share, comment below and subscribe to our channel. Meet you in the next video. See ya!